Hi, good morning mga kabarangay. I'm DJ Nice.
And I'm your DJ Chow.
And this is Barangay SS 91.7. Another day na naman para sa atin, kaya magpasalamat tayo sa panibagong araw na tayo ay gumigising.
Tunay nga partner na every gising is a blessing.
Agree ako dyan, partner. Kaya umpisahan na natin ang panibagong drama na tatangkilikin ng ating mga listeners.
So let's move on, partner.
Okay, this is stories about the life of a man named Kevin and how fame blinded him. He's a man worthy of a praise when it comes to his masterpieces. He's a famous songwriter in the little, tiny, small, cute village. But ever since he got famous, he changed. Until the day that he regret the most came.
Trying to catch the beat, make up your heart. Don't know if you're happy or complaining. Don't want for us to win. Where do I?
Just the way you are.
Hey, Kevin.
Just the way you are.
Hey brother, stop singing and help us out of here. These boxes are heavy.
Hey, son. We need help.
No way. My hands are gonna go numb if I do. I still have lot of song to write, you know.
Son, how can you make your younger sister carry these heavy boxes? When it packed, this is all yours.
You know what, Dad? She can actually carry those boxes. She just keep on complaining. Don't mind her. She's just a little stupid who needed attention from us.
What did you say? You were never a good brother for me ever since you got famous here. You really changed. How mean?
Stop being loud, sis. You're just jealous.
Ah!
See what you did? That was too much. Grow up, son.
What a nuisance.
Hey, Kyla. Where are you going?
Kathy, is that you?
Is there any other Cathy around here?
Oh, Kathy, I'm so sad.
Yeah, it's obvious. You wouldn't run out here barefooted if you're happy.
Oh, I don't have slippers. How can I run?
Are you still normal?
Huh?
Never mind. By the way, why are you crying?
Brothers is so mean. I miss to hold him.
Oh, that big-headed Kevin? He's a freak. You know what? Just go back home and don't mind him. He just lacks attention.
I don't think so. He really forget who really he was.
That's enough. Go home and Uncle Jack might get worried.
Okay then. Thanks, Kathy. You're really a friend.
Always at your service. Kyla didn't went home directly. She walked around the street still barefooted and staring blankly into space. Tears continued to invade her cheeks and her eyes were starting to get swollen. Kevin and her got a very strong band before. They play, laugh, and sing together. Kevin even sacrificed his left hand just to protect Kyla from falling. His left hand has a fractured bone, but now it's too far from the past. He changed.
Hey, look over there. Is that Kevin's sister?
Hell yeah. So what? He's just like her brother. Ill manner, big-headed.
Ha 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 ha. That's an amazing fact, bro. Cheers.
That's not true. You're absolutely wrong. My brother's not ill-mannered or big-headed. He's just too proud. Fame blinded him. It's not his fault. It's mine. As a sister, I should have helped him to stay as who he was. I knew him better for more than anybody else had.
Well, we don't care. He's just a songwriter who doesn't know how to be humble. A songwriter who is mean. He is not the Kevin we all knew. He's a monster. Cheers!
He's not. You're the monsters. You look like on.
How dare you, you little mice? Oh no!
What did you do, bro?
Hi. Didn't do this. I'm drunk. I'm drunk. She's too loud, you know. And I hate it.
You did it, bro. I'm not involved in here. I'm innocent.
Fool! You threw the chair on the hair too. You know that. So how can you be innocent, moron?
I did it because you did it.
Then the two of you. You are both screwed.
Who the hell?
I saw everything. And I'm gonna report this.
Henry, where were you hiding?
That doesn't matter. I just saw and heard everything.
Please don't tell anybody, Henry.
I'm sorry. You did wrong. And justice shall prevail.
Oh man, we're done. We're really screwed.
The two couldn't do anything at that moment. Henry is one of the well-respected officers in their village, and they just can't run away and hide. Henry can track them wherever they go. And after the police arrived, Kyla was brought to the hospital.
Doc, how's my daughter?
She's fine now. She almost died because of the hit in her head, but she fought. She was calling her brother's name during the operation. I guess you were the one who motivated her to continue breathing.
She did?
Yes, Kevin, I'll take my leave now. I got a lot of patients to do. Please excuse me.
Thank you, Doc.
Hey sis, where are you gonna wake up? I'm here waiting for you. Please wake up. I can't live without the sister whom I share my laughters with. And this happened to you because of me. You defend me. Henry told me everything. I still need to apologize to you face to face. So please, wake up now. I miss you, you know.
Don't worry, son. She'll wake up soon. And no, she'll forgive you.
Thanks, Dad. And I apologize to you too. I know you just wanted the best for me, and you support me no matter what happened. I'm so sorry, and thank you for being the best dad.
Don't be so dramatic. You know I love you, son.
I love you too, Dad.
And I love you both.
Kyla, you're awake. Thanks, God.
Of course. I will speak if I'm still asleep. You're stupid.
Well, much better to be stupid than to be mean, right? I'm so sorry, sis. I should not have told these things before.
Don't mind it. I'm glad now that you'll be back to all yourself. That's enough for me.
Thank you, sis. Thank you.
And starting that day, Kevin changed for good. He continued to be a songwriter, but he remained humble. He's not boastful anymore. He went back to his old self. Kevin taught us a big lesson. We should be humble no matter how many success we experience, and never forget where we came from. We should always look back to the old times, since without the past, we were never here in the present, savoring whatever success we had accomplished.
No, please don't wake me now. What do you mean?
Okay, that's all for today. Did you learn anything? Well, the moral of the story is to never forget the people who guided and helped us to be successful. They were the one who the reasons why we continue to live, why we protect the achievements that we gain. Each of us have the strength to inspire other people in a good ways. That's it. Thank you so much, listeners, and stay tuned for our next drama. Again, I'm your DJ Nice.
And I'm your DJ Chow,
And this is Barangay SS 91.7. God bless mga kabarangay.
Wanna argue all day, make a love all